Here's my little opening and assembling and review of the Redstone kerosene convection heater. It's indoor safe. Already kind of cut some of this, but this is exactly how it was when I opened it. So we'll see, you got probably the top for it. It's got a whole lot of cardboard and stuff. Please do not turn over. Just gonna set this back in there for right now. It's gonna be my first convection heater I have out here, because I've always had a little space heater there, and then the one up on the ceiling, and it's never really worked that well unless you were standing directly below it or beside it, and it still never really worked very well. So finally spent the money, and it looks like that's everything in here. So this is the drip tray. This, you see these three tabs, 1, 2, 3. They will slide under those, so sit it here and here, and there we go. It's turned into it clockwise, so that goes there, and then at the bottom, and then this one drops in here, so we can get it in there. That one and that one. And the same thing here. Oh. Then you install this. Two provided batteries go right here. Flat spot toward the spring, obviously. This in here. Install that. You're gonna have your gauge over here to pay attention to. Tighten that up, and you start pumping. As you can see, we're extremely close to the full. So I'm going to screw this out counterclockwise. That releases the suction. Close that back up as tight as you can get it. I don't know if it's absorbed enough to light itself. So let's release it back down. The persistence is finally lit. Apparently it takes it a while, but as you can see, there's the adjustment right here to bring it up higher, all the way to the top to light it. So we'll close it, let it burn. It's got to burn off all the impurities and everything on this new canister, so you don't get the smells inside your house. So do this outside. There she is, up and running. I let it run for about 5 minutes outside. Not really smelling anything now, so we brought it back in the shop. So this is the 2350 BTU. It's the extra large areas. I'm going to mainly use it for my shop. As you can see, it's decent size for when it gets cold, but this is it. You got it full, burned off for a while. Like I said, there's the batteries at the rear. You got your handle right here you can touch and everything when it's running. And fully adjustable right here with the release button to go back down. I mean, you can go higher, but right now I have it at max. So like I said, what you do is go ahead and get tension on this, press the release button, and then slowly dial it back. I don't know if you can see, that just kind of went down. That's how you lower it and everything. And this is what you press. You push this in, and that's how you light. As you can see, it lifts this up and pushes the igniter toward the wick for you. And if this is not working, your batteries are dead and everything, what you do is you take a match, you take your hand, you know, obviously it's not gonna be hot, you would grab the spring, lift up and stick the match to the wick until it lit, and that's how you would work that. Obviously by turning this up would bring the wick up to where you can stick the match to it. So that would be how you do that. As far as my review, it's getting hot in here. Definitely would suggest this for anyone. Like I said, it's also safer inside, and that's what you want. A good heater for the inside, keep you warm. Kids can't bump into it, burn themselves and all that. So I give it a thumbs up. Appreciate you watching.